to obtain the values x, y, z and w if the two matrices are equal. So again, by equality of matrices, if two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are also equal. So let's get started. So we mention the property by equality of matrices. Let us equate the elements. So xy equal to 8, equation number 1. Then 4 equal to w, that is w is equal to 4. So we already have one value over here. Equation number 2. Z plus x equal to 6. Z plus 6 equal to 0. Z plus 6 equal to 0. So from here we have the value for z. So z is equal to minus 6. Equation number 3. Okay, this was the first one. And last, x plus y equal to 6. Equation number 4. Now we already have the values for w and z. Now solving first and fourth equations, we can obtain the values for x and y. Now from here, we could say y will be equal to 6 minus x. And this value of y we could substitute in equation number 1. So therefore, using equation 1, we get x times y. Now y is 6 minus x is equal to 8, right? And now we just simplify this. So we have 6x minus x square equal to 8. If we rearrange the terms, we get x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can split the middle term and factorize the left hand side. So 4 2s is 8. So if we factorize, we get x minus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So either x minus 4 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. Now since we have two values for x, we would get two values for y, because y is 6 minus x. So at x equal to 4, the value for y would be 6 minus 4, that is 2. And at x equal to 2, the value for y will be 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So basically we have two set of values. So therefore, the values for x, y, z and w are 4. See, when x is 4, y is 2. So 4, 2. Then the value for z is minus 6 and w is 4. So this is one set. Or x, y, z, w. When x is 2, y is 4. Z is minus 6 and w is 4. So this is how you obtain the values for x, y, z and w.